and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Cyber Group new launch project located on Bank on SV Road. As you can see, this is the SV Road and the neighborhood of the project. That is the station and this is the actual land parcel where the towers will get built. In this teaser, we will be telling you about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom grade price. Unlike current listing platforms, where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 2 acres, having 5 towers, having 1, 2 and 3 BHK ultra luxurious residences with G plus 22 residential floors. Talking about the location and connectivity of the project, you can see we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the SV Road and this is the neighborhood of the project. This project is located in Jogeshwari West, right opposite the Jogeshwari Railway Station West, with a connectivity of railway station at a distance of 100 meters, metro station at a distance of 200 meters and Western Express Highway at a distance of 500 meters from the project. Talking about the amenities of this project has 30 plus ultra luxurious amenities, having a swimming pool at the rooftop level and a clubhouse that is spread across 4,000 of square feet. It also has an amphitheater, a yoga center, a banquet hall, a kids play area and many more. As said, the project has 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK ultra luxurious apartments with 1 BHK spread across the carpet area of 400 plus square feet, 2 BHK spread across the carpet area of 650 plus square feet and 3 BHK spread across the carpet area of 780 plus square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and more details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Talking about the booking process, the booking windows of this project will open soon. Till then, the clients can come and do a site visit and the sales team will explain the complete project overview, will explain the plans and pricing, and if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. The token holders will get exclusive benefits like exclusive discounts. EOI holders will be chosen over and above others. Preferred inventory selection. EOI clients will be given a call on the first day of the launch and will be given preferred selection of the flat of their choice. So everyone, this was the teaser of Cyber Group new launch located bang on SV Road in Jogeshwari West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.